it's a wall.
The National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dutch County in southeast Wisconsin, southeastern Jefferson County in southeast Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeast Wisconsin, Milwaukee County in southeast Wisconsin, southern Ozaukee County in southeast Wisconsin, Racine County in southeast Wisconsin, northeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin, Washington County in southeast Wisconsin, Waukesha County in southeast Wisconsin, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:47 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located along the line extending from Theresa to Slinger to Merton to Palmyra to downtown Janesville, and moving southeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles and crops is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Waukesha Airport in West Bend around 7 p.m. West Bend Airport in Potter Lake around 7:05 p.m. Newburgh and Milwaukee counties around 7:10 p.m. Glendale and Burlington Airport around 7:15 p.m. Saukville and Franklin around 7:20 p.m. Port Washington and Milwaukee International Airport around 7:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Troy Center,